SpearUAV has unveiled a groundbreaking product, the Viper loitering munition. This Viper is designed to precisely strike soft targets, and it's housed within a high-tech, smart capsule. These soft targets include non-military vehicles like SUVs and pickup trucks, which are frequently seen these days. Boaz Ben-Hayim, SpearUAV's business development director, highlighted a remarkable feature. Viper can disable a tank if its hatch is open or even penetrated through a small window. The Viper's robust capsule is designed to withstand water, dust, heat, and shocks. Its battery conservation is impressive. The Viper can remain dormant for weeks, much like a turned-off mobile phone. Once activated and connected to its GPS, the Viper can swiftly link to the Ninox ground control system. The device boasts an extensive operational range spanning several kilometers. Interestingly, a local customer had already shown keen interest and inked a contract with SpearUAV over a year ago for Viper's development. SpearUAV is also collaborating with a U.S. industry partner to craft an American version of the Viper. Spear is set to showcase Viper's capability to strike a target by mid-2023, as per an agreement. Several tests without explosives are already in the bag for the Viper. Once it passes all evaluations, it will head into full-rate production. Ben-Hayim emphasizes that Viper's cost-effectiveness and user-friendliness put it on par with an anti-tank missile. That's all for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military developments, don't forget to subscribe.